We are in Si Racha. Anyways, today we are exploring the vibrant nightlife of Si Racha, a coastal city right here in Thailand that comes alive after sunset. My journey begins at the famous Koh Loi Skate Park, where local skaters, neon lights and ocean vibes create the perfect evening atmosphere. From there, I'll be visiting the iconic Surasak Montri Bridge, one of Siracha's most recognizable landmarks, offering beautiful nighttime views over the water. And later, I'll finish up my nightlife trip at the stunning Purple Bridge, also known as Koh Loi Tourism Promoting Bridge. It floats on the water and it glows beautifully against the night sky and gives one of the best waterfront walks in the city. Expect relaxing night views, street scenes, and the real atmosphere of Siracha after dark. Located right next to the ocean near the famous Koh Loi area, this skate park has become a popular evening destination for local skaters, BMX riders, photographers, and people just looking to enjoy the sea breeze and city lights. One of the best things about this place is the atmosphere. You've got skaters practicing tricks under the lights, music playing in the background, families walking nearby, and amazing waterfront views all around. This is not just a skate park, it's a social spot where locals come to chill after sunset. Koh Loi itself is one of Siracha's most well-known landmarks and a major tourist attraction connected to Loi Island. The area is famous for its scenic walking paths, ocean viewpoints, temples, and relaxed coastal vibes. At night, everything lights up beautifully, making it one of the best places for nightlife photography and evening walks in Siracha. I highly recommend this place. This park looks amazing. It's a great thing for a neighborhood to have such a park that's open even at night. It's got these huge floodlights that light up the whole area. Siracha is beautiful. If you're watching this video and you know other amazing places in Siracha, please recommend places I could come check out the next day. Now we are heading to one of Siracha's most iconic landmarks, Surasak Montri Bridge. This bridge is one of the main gateways connecting the mainland to the famous Koh Loi area, and at night it becomes one of the most beautiful scenic spots in Siracha. With the ocean surrounding both sides and the city lights reflecting on the water, the atmosphere here feels peaceful but still full of life. It's like the water receded inwards, so people easily walk along the waterfront. I'm curious if they're going fishing or to pick some crabs, because I'm told usually crabs are out in the night looking for a bite. Some are picking some crabs. So they've got these torches or flashlights. One interesting fact about this bridge is that it's named after Chaupraya Surasak Montri, an important historical military figure in Thailand. Over the years, the bridge has become more than just a connection point. It's now a popular space for evening walks, photography, cycling, and enjoying the sea breeze after sunset. At night, you'll see locals jogging, couples taking photos, street food vendors nearby, and visitors stopping to enjoy the panoramic coastal views. It's also one of the best places in Siracha to capture long exposure night shots and relaxing Thailand nightlife footage. The views, guys, are beautiful. The place is well lit. I guess people enjoy the sea breeze, so you could come here and get a chair, bring some snacks, sit over there and have a reflection of life, or have a conversation with a friend. See some families, some couples, some friends, and these are the beautiful views right here. It is my first time in Siracha and I am so impressed. The combination of ocean views, moving traffic lights, fishing boats in the distance, and the glow from Koh Loi creates a really unique nighttime vibe that makes this place stand out from other coastal cities in Thailand. In this part of the vlog, I'm taking a slow walk across the bridge to experience the atmosphere, the surrounding of the city at night, and the beautiful waterfront scenery of Si Racha. If you enjoy Thailand travel vlogs, scenic night drives, walking tours, and hidden local spots, this is definitely a place worth checking out. The views are amazing. Most of the people right here are locals. I've not seen many tourists here. Probably they don't come during this time of the hour or the day. They have a mini market right here. You could buy some snacks, some food. We've got a number of fruits. Avocado, passion fruits, lemons, guavas, apples, cantaloupe, pineapple, coconut, strawberries. So you could generally get a mix of these or a single fruit blend. เท่าไหร่ครับขอบคุณครับ We are right here at Koh Loi Pier. We've got a bunch of piers. Earlier, I think the skate park was one at the Park and Garden. And when you go further, you could take a ferry to one of these islands. So one of the islands is called Koh Sichang. I'm told it is very beautiful. Possibly, if you stick around, I could give you a tour there. They've got this beautiful space right here. It looks like a temple. Right here on Koh Loi Island is one of Siracha's most peaceful and well-known landmarks, Wat Koh Loi. Sitting on a small island surrounded by ocean views, this temple gives off a completely different atmosphere at night. The lights reflecting off the water, the calm sea breeze, and the quiet surroundings make it feel like a hidden escape right in the middle of the city. Wat Koh Loi is an important spiritual and cultural site for locals in Siracha. Many people come here to pray, make merit, and enjoy a peaceful environment overlooking the Gulf of Thailand. One of the most recognizable features of the temple is the large golden Buddha statue and the traditional Thai temple architecture that stands out beautifully against the night sky. Another interesting fact is that Koh Loi has long been a popular gathering place for both locals and tourists. This is a sacred space. Plenty of people travel miles to come and get luck and submitting their prayers. And I can see a couple of them doing that. So you should know we are in a sacred place. It's very calm here. Wow, very peaceful. This is as far as I can bring you. I think I've seen a similar statue and I'm told it's related to money. So if you're a devotee, this place will be a bonus for you on your trip. Another interesting fact is that Koh Loi has long been a popular gathering place for both locals and tourists because of its panoramic ocean views and relaxing atmosphere. During festivals and holidays, the area becomes especially lively with food stalls, decorations, and local events. At night, the temple area transforms into a quiet scenic viewpoint where you can hear the waves, watch fish boats in the distance, and enjoy some of the best nighttime views in Siracha. So right now, let's experience the peaceful nighttime atmosphere, admire the illuminated temple, and take in the beautiful coastal scenery surrounding the island. Now we are visiting one of the most unique and photogenic spots in Siracha, the Purple Bridge, officially known as Koh Loi Tourism Promoting Bridge. This floating bridge has quickly become one of the most popular evening attractions in Siracha, thanks to its bright purple lighting, relaxing ocean atmosphere, and stunning waterfront views. At night, the entire walkway glows beautifully over the water, creating an almost futuristic vibe that feels completely different from the rest of the city. The bridge was designed to promote tourism around Koh Loi area and give visitors a scenic place to walk, relax, and enjoy panoramic views of the Gulf of Thailand. It's especially popular with photographers, couples, cyclists, and content creators looking for unique night shots in Chonburi province. One of the coolest things about this place is the reflection of the purple lights on the ocean at night. Combined with the sea breeze, fish boats in the distance, and the skyline of Si Racha, the atmosphere here feels peaceful, cinematic, and perfect for an evening stroll. You'll also notice a mix of locals and tourists stopping here to take photos, film TikToks, enjoy the nighttime scenery, or simply relax after a long day. It has quickly become one of Siracha's modern nightlife landmarks. I guess we've come to an end. I hope you enjoyed the video, and comment down below other places that we come check out right here in Siracha. Otherwise, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, that's it.